What does this mean for this country, and what does it mean for world economy? And most importantly, what does this mean for Bitcoin and crypto? Well, let's talk about it. The country that I am referring to is Japan. And yesterday it was reported that Bank of Japan, after being dovish for many years, decided they need to kind of tighten their wallets and not spend as much. So unlike the Fed or the ECB, how Bank of Japan manipulates their inflation or their economic activity is basically through their 10-year bond. Welcome back to Cryptos R Us. Rather than mess with like a Fed fund rate or a fund rate in general, they keep on buying their 10-year bond. And they've been keeping that at an ultra low interest rate. So basically, that's their way of affecting economic activity, making sure that people or businesses in general can still borrow and borrow basically at a 0% interest rate, right? But it was really like 0.5%. So after being dovish for so long, they no longer want to be dovish. And that's because they spend an enormous amount of money buying bonds to make sure that theirs come in between 0 and 0.5%, okay? But because of this, their yen has been devaluing itself quite a lot. It's affecting their trade, and they can no longer go down this path. So yesterday it was announced that today they were going to tweak it, and they did.